Hey guys, we just entered to our new villa. This is Sunset Beach Villa, and you can see it's the same as the first one. Yeah, so that was in sunrise. This one is sunset, and look at this view. This is the cabinets, luggages, sofa. They have a bed, locker, diving staff. This is the reading table, full mirror, another cupboard, bed stuff, minibar, and this is our view. Pool area and the ocean. This is the view. Hey guys, it's afternoon and we are enjoying to our room. This is the pool. Hey guys, this is our last day at Maldives and this is our last sunset, and look at this. Hey guys, good morning. So this is our last day. This is our 6th day in Maldives, and right now we will be checking out. Our flight is on 4:30 p.m. IST hours, and from here there is a domestic flight that will start at 12:30. So from here there is a boat transfer to that island where we will take off from the domestic flight. So this room, this is a sunset villa, and with all inclusive it takes 68,551 rupees. That's nothing but $924 plus $12 taxes you need to pay at the hotel. The room is really good, the stay was really good, the views and everything was good. Couple of things if you want me to rate this property. The view, it's 4.5 out of 4.5 out of 5. Management, that's the one thing I need to talk about. The management, I mean pretty much it's average, cause couple of things, like for an example, if you order a buggy ride, it takes around 20 minutes and I have to call after call, and I mean they have shortage of buggy, and the management is little bit average. It's not like okay. So for management I'll give 3.5 out of 5. The pool water villa, sunset water villa is outstanding, so that's the main thing. If you are coming here, so maybe you can take the water villa, which is very costly, but that's worth. And for beach villa, there is another one. Last day before yesterday we have taken, that is the deluxe villa. So the deluxe villa is a bit of costly, but I think you should not take the deluxe villa, and you should take the sunset or sunrise beach villa. That will give you some savings, plus the view is same. Dining, so food is really good. I should tell about that. Food is really good. There are many items. I already showed it to you. There are many menu items is really huge, in continental plus Indian. So for lunch, dinner and breakfast, so you can take bed and breakfast, or you can take all inclusive. So all I already told you what is all inclusive includes, and all that bed and breakfast also. So yeah, so the stay was really good. Falhumaafushi, the adjacent island, you can go there, you can visit there, and that island also really good. So yeah, this is all, and yeah, the room is neat and clean. The stay was really good. Stay tuned guys, we'll continue a couple of more videos, couple of more contents, 2 hours until we reach to Bangalore. And stay tuned guys, we'll go for a breakfast and then we'll go for the checkout. Bye bye. Hey guys, this is our last day at Maldives. We're going for a breakfast, and there you go. So the island was really good. This is the Residence Dhigurah. They have the adjacent one, the Residence Falhumaafushi, and it's a 5-star property. And I'll miss this cycling, I'll miss this tropical trees, the sea view, the pool, everything. We'll come back to Maldives definitely. We'll try to come back once in a year. And so guys, stay tuned with us. Yeah, I need to tell one thing is they have real shortage of buggies, and I think the couple of buggies which is covering both the islands, so definitely it's a shortage. What is available today, so they have different menu every day. Hey guys, we are leaving from the Dhigurah island and heading towards the jetty, where actually we have a transport speedboat to the domestic airport. So bye bye to this island.
No, we were actually wanting to see, but we didn't.
This is a one-way transport from boat to the domestic airport. This is Kudu domestic airport. Hey guys, we just reached Bangalore and we are super tired. This is around 9 o'clock. We'll take a Ola or Uber and we're heading towards our home. So it may take around 1.5 hours to 2 hours. So we had a really good journey, but we are a bit of a tired just because the flight was late around 1 hour. So stay tuned guys, and thanks for watching this video, watching this series, and subscribe to our channel. Take care.